Hey, Ma! So this is horchata, which I love. It's my favorite, but this is what I have right now. So I'm going to use this to show how to make a whipped foam. So this is like a take on the Dalgona Coffee. You know, if you don't drink coffee, you know, this will be a nice little treat for your kids or something like that. My daughter actually requested that I make something for people who don't drink coffee. So, because I'm using, I forgot to say. I use heavy whipping cream, okay? So, I forgot to say, I use heavy whipping cream, and I'm just gonna make whipped cream, basically. It's the same premise of having a foam on top of a liquid, and, or milk, but I have like two takes on this. So this is strawberry horchata. I'm very upset because due to the pandemic, you cannot find it right now. It's all sold out and the stores are closed that I usually get it at, little bodegas. So I don't know. I just put like maybe a quarter of a cup in there. It's going to be very sweet. The normal directions is for a glass you put 3 teaspoons. So yeah, whatever. It's whatever. You can let's just go like that. Okay. So I'm using my Ninja because blending is ridiculous. I can barely fit it here. All right, well, let's just blend this up. I just want to explain the Ninja. This is one of the ones that has a big pitcher that you could blend things in, and this is supposed to be for herbs and stuff like, or if you're chopping onions, but it's the same mechanism, right? It's a smaller container, but it has like the same, you use the same blades. So I tend to use this more because I'm usually just making enough for like 1 or 2 servings. So instead of using the big huge thing, I use this. All right, so I blended it for about 20 seconds, 20 minutes. And look at that, it's already whipped cream. Friggin' delicious. All right, I'm making it for myself, don't worry. Let me put my fingers in it. Is this enough? Maybe it's not enough. It's so sweet. I'm gonna add some more whipped cream. Let's indulge. Adding more. Heavy whipping cream, right? Look at this. This is the best. It's made with real bananas and it's almond milk. It's only got 80 calories per 8 ounces. You can use it, you know, to make all kinds of stuff, and it is so delicious. It's like a shake in itself. So I'm going to use this, and you can see it looks like bananas, right? If you've ever made banana shakes, that's what it looks like. I have no spoons. Gosh, hold on.
So I fast forward this little piece because I'm just adding the whipped cream to the top of the almond milk. I also made another one using plain milk, just so that you can see what it looks like, and this will make a strawberry horchata. You can add anything that you like to this. Unfortunately, I didn't have any fresh fruit at the time. Funny, because now we have bananas and strawberries and grapes in the house, but at the time all I had was oranges. Adding sprinkles because I just thought that would be cute. But in retrospect, it just makes a crunchy drink. I also added some strawberry syrup.
Oh my gosh. That is so good. And you can mix it up. Let's try this. Let's mix it a little bit. My biggest thing with Dalgona Coffee is that, you know, you have to mix it. So all the pictures that you see where it's like overflowing, it's almost impossible to drink that. You're gonna have to drink the milk down before you can get to the goodness. You know, even having a coffee-like drink. But it is a nice texture once you do mix it. It's thicker than milk, you know? So this, I had some strawberry syrup. Oh my gosh. All right. They're equally good.
So that's this recipe. Go ahead and give me a like if you like the recipe and share it if you really liked it. Subscribers, don't forget to hit that bell icon for more recipes from Hey Maaa. Thank you. Bye.